Hi, this is Tim with Highmark Communication, and today I'd like to show you how to change the time for the time change on your XT1 base station. So when it comes time, twice a year, to change that time, what you need to do is press the mode button in the lower left-hand corner, and then press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press the mode button again. It'll say Installer ID1 at the bottom of the screen. Next, press the mode button again. It'll say Optional Timer Not Installed. Press it again. It'll either say Greeter Menu or Greeter Not Installed. That simply means you don't have a greeter. And then one more time, and you'll be at the System menu. In the System menu, you'll navigate using the arrow keys and the Enter. So I'm going to hit the right arrow and go down to number 6, Set Date and Time. At this point, I press Enter, and you'll see the time in the upper corner here. So to change the value, whenever working with the 3M base, you'll see that it has two parentheses on either side of the 10. When it has the parentheses, I can use the arrow keys to move that cursor around. Once I press Enter, I have two arrows on either side of the 10, in which case now I can use the up or down to change the value. So in this case, the time is correct, but if it was, for example, 11 o'clock, and of course we step back at this point of this recording, I would simply put it on the arrows by hitting Enter, hit the down arrow once to make that 10, then press Enter. Now I also notice that the minutes are not quite right either. So I'm going to hit Enter to go back to the parentheses, press the arrow to move the cursor, press it, Enter again. Now I've got my arrows again, and I can now change that value to reflect the correct minute position. And then press Enter again, and once again now I can use the arrows to move the cursor around. Once you have everything looking the way you want it here, then you just simply press the mode key once, and that'll take you one step back in the menu. I also recommend, while you're at it, hit the arrow and go down one item to Site Scheduling, press Enter. Under Regular Site Schedule, press Enter, and just confirm that your open and close times are correct as well for your store hours. Remember, this is in military time, so if you're not sure, add 12 if it's in the afternoon, and that'll give you your correct time for afternoon. So once you check this and everything's looking good there, you can simply press Mode, back to your regular screen, and congratulations, you have changed the time on your XT1 base station. Thank you.